Look at all this stuff and you're trying to rebuild a damn rear end for a 9-inch. Well, got all my billet stuff for father's gears, all pretty, all the old stuff all lined up in shape, some sort of kind of way. But yeah, waiting on a bunch of stuff, bearings. Got the quick performance, been pretty good to me. So let me get started, then I can get back over here and finish blasting that. I don't know if y'all can see it. Hold on, it's stupid. Finish blasting this end case housing. So a little bit more work to do on that. But let me try to put it together. I'm gonna try to set you on time lapse, but it's been tripping. So let me get all of this into one thing. That old gears right there. So let's see what we got. Got it together, baby. New seal. Yeah. The polished girs with my solid spool. Oh shit. Yeah. She ready. She getting ready. Just got to clean this up a little bit in the sander, but I had to take some stuff loose, so I got to go back into the blasting cabinet and clean up some more. Oh shit. But yep, pile's getting smaller.